Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare shrimp stuffed plantain cups as an appetizer. Tostones rellenos con camarones. The plantain cups are prepared with green plantains and fried twice. The first fry is to cook the plantain, and the second fry is to create a firm, crispy plantain cup for the filling. The plantain cups can be stuffed with meat or seafood. For this recipe, I am going to fill the plantain cups with shrimp cooked in garlic sauce. I normally use the small shrimp when preparing this dish as an appetizer. However, when I prepare shrimp and garlic sauce as the main course, I prefer the jumbo shrimp. Let's start with cutting and peeling the green plantains. With a knife, cut both ends of the green plantain. Make several slits lengthwise from top to bottom, barely touching the flesh. Peel the green plantain using your hands. Cut the plantain into 1.5-inch pieces. Repeat these steps for the other green plantains. Let's prepare the salted garlic water mixture to soak the plantain pieces before the first fry. In a bowl, pour 2.5 cups of water and add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1.5 teaspoons of light salt or to taste. Stir until well blended. Add the plantain pieces and soak for approximately 10 minutes. The soaking time depends on how long you want the plantains to absorb the seasoning. We are ready to fry the plantain pieces. In a 3-quart deep saucepan, add sufficient oil and heat to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. If you prefer, you can use a deep fryer. I will also be frying the plantain pieces in several batches. Once the temperature has been reached, remove several of the soaked plantain pieces from bowl and shake any excess water before placing into hot oil. Fry until they are tender and turn a golden color. This takes approximately 5 to 7 minutes. The first batch of the plantain pieces have a golden color, so carefully remove them from the saucepan. Place the fried plantains on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb the excess oil. We are ready to shape the plantain pieces into a cup for the filling using a deep tostonera. If you do not own a deep tostonera, then use a lemon squeezer instead. You can also line the cavity of the tostonera or lemon squeezer with plastic wrap to easily remove the plantain cup once it has been shaped. Place a fried plantain into the cavity of the tostonera. Close the lid and press down to shape the plantain into a cup. It is much easier to shape the plantains into cups while they are still warm. Continue this process for the remaining fried plantain pieces. We just finished shaping the first batch of the fried plantain pieces into plantain cups. Continue frying the plantains in batches and shaping them into cups. Before we fry the plantain cups, let's prepare the garlic mixture for the shrimp. In a bowl, add 6 minced garlic cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of light salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves or fresh oregano, and 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir to mix all the ingredients and set aside. This is 1 pound of raw small shrimps that have been rinsed, peeled, and deveined. Let's season the shrimp with half of the garlic mixture. We can now start preparing the shrimp and garlic sauce. In a skillet, heat 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter over high heat. Once the butter has melted, add the other half of garlic mixture and 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro. Stir until well blended. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes before adding the shrimp. Place the seasoned shrimp into skillet. Add lemon juice that was squeezed from 1/2 of a lemon. Stir to coat the shrimp with the butter garlic sauce. After coating the shrimp with the butter garlic sauce, reduce heat to low and saute the shrimp until the shrimp turns pink. Since the shrimps are very small, they won't take long to cook. So after cooking for 4 minutes, the shrimps have a pink color. The shrimp and garlic sauce is ready. The last step is to fry the plantain cups in batches. Reheat oil to 365 degrees Fahrenheit and add the first batch of the plantain cups into the deep saucepan. Fry until they have a crispy, firm texture. The plantain cups have a crispy, firm texture. Remove from saucepan and drain any excess oil before placing on a plate lined with paper towel to absorb the excess oil. Continue frying the remaining plantain cups. Using a spoon, fill each plantain cup with the shrimp and garlic sauce. Each plantain cup will hold at least 1 tablespoon of the filling. The plantains originated in Southeast Asia and arrived in Puerto Rico in 1516. They are considered a staple in our culture. Our plantain cups filled with shrimp and garlic sauce, garnished with some chopped cilantro. As I mentioned earlier, this dish is usually served as an appetizer. First, let me explain why I don't fry all the plantain pieces at the same time. If you do, then the last few plantains will not be warm enough to easily shape into cups. I already took a bite. Now I'm going to take another bite. That was a big bite. The combination of the garlicky shrimp filling and crispy plantain cup provides an additional taste to both food items that complement each other. A la verdad, esto es muy rico. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare shrimp stuffed plantain cups, tostones rellenos con camarones. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.